The Mercedes-Benz G-Class G63 AMG is more than just a luxury SUV, it's an automotive icon. Built to conquer the toughest terrain, while delivering world-class comfort and performance, the G63 AMG has become one of the most desirable off-road vehicles in Australia. Today, we are taking a detailed look at this incredible off-road build, featuring 35 to 40-inch mud terrain tyres, a lift kit, beadlock wheels, bull bar, roof rack, snorkel, and upgraded off-road suspension, making it ready for any Australian adventure. At first glance, the G63 AMG demands attention. Its instantly recognizable boxy design has remained true to its heritage while incorporating modern AMG styling. Finished in obsidian black metallic, this modified build looks even more aggressive with its lifted stance, oversized tires, and rugged off-road equipment. At the heart of the G63 AMG is a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing incredible power and torque. Paired with the fast-shifting AMG SpeedShift 9-speed automatic transmission, the SUV delivers thrilling acceleration while maintaining excellent control both on road and off-road. Despite its size and capability, the G63 AMG can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in around 4.5 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury off-road SUVs in its class. It combines supercar-like performance with genuine four-wheel drive capability. Australia offers some of the most demanding driving environments in the world, from the red sands of the Outback to rocky mountain tracks, river crossings, and remote bush trails. The G63 AMG is engineered to handle them all. Its permanent four-wheel drive system, 3 locking differentials, high ground clearance, and advanced suspension provide exceptional confidence across challenging terrain. This upgraded build takes capability even further. The lift kit improves ground clearance for tackling larger obstacles. The 35 to 40-inch mud terrain tires provide maximum grip on sand, mud, and rocks, while the beadlock wheels help keep the tires securely in place during low-pressure off-road driving. The heavy-duty bull bar offers added front-end protection, the snorkel improves performance during dusty conditions and water crossings, and the roof rack adds valuable storage space for camping gear and recovery equipment. Inside the cabin, the G63 AMG remains a true luxury vehicle. Premium Napa leather seats, carbon fiber trim, ambient LED lighting, and the dual widescreen digital displays create an executive-level driving environment. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium Burmester sound system, wireless smartphone connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and advanced navigation ensure every journey is comfortable and connected. Safety is equally impressive. The G63 AMG includes adaptive cruise control, active brake assist, blind spot assist, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, front and rear parking sensors, traffic sign recognition, and multiple airbags. These systems help provide extra confidence whether you're driving through busy city streets or remote off-road tracks. For Australian drivers who enjoy overlanding, camping, and exploring remote destinations, the G63 AMG offers exceptional versatility. The spacious cargo area can carry luggage, camping equipment, recovery gear, and adventure essentials, making it an ideal companion for long-distance expeditions. Although this SUV is capable of tackling the harshest conditions, it also delivers outstanding comfort on highways. The refined suspension, premium cabin insulation, and commanding driving position make long road trips relaxing and enjoyable. The Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG successfully combines handcrafted luxury, AMG performance, and legendary off-road capability into one remarkable package. Few vehicles offer such an impressive balance of prestige, comfort, speed, and adventure. So, if you're searching for a luxury SUV that can dominate the Australian Outback while turning heads in the city, the Mercedes-Benz G-Class G63 AMG deserves serious attention. Would you choose the Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG over the Toyota LandCruiser 300, Nissan Patrol Warrior, Jeep Gladiator Rubicon, or Ford Ranger Raptor? Let us know your favorite in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Australian luxury SUVs, 4WD reviews, off-road adventures, and premium automotive content every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.